It is not possible to manufacture entire rolls of continuous foam cutting mats. Several materials of varying consistency must be bonded together. A continuous foam mat off the roll is merely a protective mat made entirely of soft material, like for instance, transparent soft PVC for cold stores or loading ramps. Such mats do not contain a strong, high-density middle layer. Therefore, depending on the sharpness of the cutting knife and the strength of the cut, a cut can go all the way through the cutting mat. Using the mat on the flip side may result in hitting such cuts that penetrated the mat from the other side, and the entire mat could go to pieces. If you use the right cutting mat, every cut ends at the high-density middle layer. The mat remains in one piece. If you flip the mat, the cuts on the other side end in the middle layer as well, leaving the material in one piece. Self-healing and, of course, usable from both sides. Large working surfaces can be covered with a combination of pre-sized cutting boards tailored to the size of the working surface. Parts that are worn out due to excessive use can simply be replaced, without having to change the entire table cover. Cutting mats come in 6 different sizes, starting from our smallest mat, sized and handy 30 by 45 centimeters, to our largest format, sized 100 by 200 centimeters. All our mats are printed with a 1 centimeter grid on one side. If desired, we can cut your mat to your individual specification. We offer our mats in 3 colors: black, green, and light gray, and, if desired, transparent. Protect your working surface with professional cutting mats. Economical, long-lasting, robust.